All right, so now we can do our tween curves, and so I'll just select this and this. So ideally you have to do it one by one, okay? Okay, so I'm going to do my tweening first for all of them and then come back and do the scaling because I think it's much easier. It's definitely much easier. I preferred like doing multiple of the same command at a sequence instead of combining the commands because it's like your brain kind of just registers what's happening, and so you do not have to be, you know, making mistakes because you're just doing one command, so it's easier than doing multiple commands, which kind of slows you down. Sometimes you have to type, like for example, right now, as you can see, doing my I'm just pressing enter to for it to remember the same command, but if it was a different command, I have to type again, and so which is kind of uncomfortable. So now I want to scale. So all I have to do is just scale, type and scale. It already remembers my initial scale factor, so I just have to find the center, and it's 0.594, and just have to keep doing that. Okay. Find if it finds the center, you just do that. Okay, center. All right. So now what I have to do is do my loft. I'll do them individually. 2, 3. Okay, make sure your seam points are in the same position. All right. If you try to do them all together, what happens is, you see, if I try to do all together, I'll just do for two sides, and you will see the kind of way it comes out, which is kind of not good. I'll drag the seam points back, right? So you see, it kind of, tries to intersect between these two, and it's a bit weird. I don't like how it comes out. It's not a simple seamless curve. As you can see here, it just ends at this point. But this one, because it registers where this is coming from, it kind of just bends it as well. Okay? So we don't want that. So that's why it's best to do it just, individually. Okay, loft. Now we have our perfect shape. And you can see here I have it as normal. If it's straight sections, it doesn't look good. So yeah, normal. So now that I have all these, all I can just do is just select and group them. I'll leave this one because I can mirror it eventually, so I don't have to group and ungroup. So I just have to select them except this one, which is halfway. this one starts at the edge, so it's not a problem. But this one starts halfway, so it's best to just leave it aside and group the rest. And then mirror. So mirror plane, I'll use 0 and mirror, and then select this and mirror again, 0, okay, and then select this one, mirror, 0, yeah. So now you see it's more seamless and more, make it more perfect. So now I just have to show my shells. We don't need this, so we might as well just delete it. And we have this. So the next thing if you want to do is just try to, do maybe a uniform scale with option. So copy and uniform scale it, and just do your planar surface, and you have yourself a base. And that's it, pretty much. We have our National Theatre. If you want, you can go and find the crest online and you can input it. If you wish to add some more things, it's up to you. You can try to find a way. Maybe you want to make the glass parts, which is a bit simple actually. If you just do edge surface, you can select this edge and maybe this edge, and you could have this, and then you can just set object display mode to ghosted, and so it's a bit more transparent, and then you can add it to your design. But yeah, it's up to you. It's pretty much it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. Have a nice day. Bye.